What is business analytics? Business analytics is a practice that involves studying and analyzing an organization's processes, systems, and data in order to plan and implement changes that will help achieve the organization's goals effectively. The goal of business analytics is to accurately understand the organization's needs and develop corresponding solutions. This includes improving processes, modernizing products or services, or introducing new products and technologies. Who is a business analyst? A business analyst is a specialist responsible for studying the organization's processes, systems, and business needs, analyzing them, and developing solutions that will help the organization effectively achieve its goals. A business analyst acts as a bridge between business and technology, transforming challenges into opportunities with business analytics.